Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, front-wheel drive, climate control, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.